AidEx and Development2030 are taking place in Brussels for the 11th time, and it has been an eclectic mix of all kinds of participation with 2 conferences, a visiting conference, workshops, round tables.
I think it's a fantastic platform to navigate and network with your peers and other people that are providing different solutions for the non-profit sector.
A lot of old friends, a lot of new potential suppliers, and the colleagues are discussing already with many people who are interested in our work. And this is really a good opportunity for us to reconnect and discuss products and services and how we can improve work with each other and expand our range of suppliers.
I think you attend this event because there is a purpose for that, a social purpose, and it's a way to get in contact with people from all over the world, understand better what are the needs and how can you help to provide solutions for those needs.
Events like this certainly help to nurture this community of experience that we are building together globally, and also understand what new opportunities lie, possibility for new synergies by working also across some traditional silos.
I think it's an incredible opportunity to network and meet with our colleagues and collaborators from all across the international development and humanitarian assistance space.
AidEx as an expo really brings together the various partners, some of them private sector, some of them technology, but some of them are also more on the softer skills. And it's the collaboration between all these partners, government, international organizations like my own, and private sector in the humanitarian and development space. That's what we need in order for us to get increased impact.
I think it's really important that anyone who is working within the humanitarian sector attends AidEx because it's a one-stop shop for everything that we do especially related to humanitarian relief items. It's a way to see new items, it's a way to have a discussion on the work that we're doing as a whole community rather than the usual bilateral or internal meetings.
But one thing is for sure, AidEx is going to be here and with Development2030 bigger and better next year in Geneva, and we welcome all of you to attend as our guests. Look forward to seeing you again on October the 25th and 26th.